Well, today I'm gonna be playing some more of this. Okay, so someone at my school, person who takes me to the bus, I gave her a link of what is going to be the next video. I said it was gonna be Balloons 2d6. It wasn't. I was too lazy to record it because it stopped recording. So that'll be next video. That's a video link for you guys. So if any of you just heard that and it didn't. Oh, wait a minute. And didn't want to hear that. Sorry. Sorry about ya. Really? What? Back in? Alright, so let me back foot you. Okay, they have a lot of health, but now they don't. Ow, that's not much. Hey, you put poison on me? Okay, that's it. I'm gonna do this special. Heal. Alright, now that I heal, I'm gonna bite just a long tooth. Heal. Die. Oh, I think I know what the sun thing does now. When using it, if anyone hurts you, if you hurt someone, then they take damage as well. Oh my god, I didn't know that. I just realized that. It's because, well, he hasn't equipped it. That didn't happen until he had it equipped it. So, yeah. Dude, I thought that was just a useless thing. It felt so useless. I need to bite you, then get me some health. Hehe. Cut. Poopy head. Really? 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 That doesn't gonna do anything because you have to meet your doom. Oh, I love things. Yes, I don't love. Alright, guys, you can now level up. Okay, a sprint. Just give me that. I need to change the look, dude. Those wounds look so good. There we go. Guys, tell me how mutated this is in the comments. This is not for kids. I am a kid, but because okay, I'm old enough to know. Why I care. Looks weird. Oh, I get to use Sharpie Sharp. And I can use a razor bite. Let's go. Let's go. Why? I'll kick you. Let's do good critical bite. Crit hit. Alrighty, boys. Alright, guys. I bet we can do this. We can do this. Oh crap! He's on me. Great. Alright. Just Let's bite him. When he attacks me here, he's gonna take damage and he's gonna die. Let's go, boys! No. No, get. Okay. Right, now I have to fight the fly dog. What? What the freak? I have to fight the fly dog. He looks terrifying. I don't know why, but that looks so scary. Oh, wait, I can do with the pew. And then, yeah, boy! Ow. Use this special. It's one of the most annoying specials, but I love it. I can heal, and then he will poison me. Alright? Next. Let's bite him. Sometimes it's best to do things in life than not. Do big boy heal. Those are greatly good. Ow. Let's do the big razor sharp one. Stop healing. Okay. Okay. You need to like chill. Like. Yes, we need to stun him. Punch. Boom! Let's go, boys. Alright. It's like an already normal bite. It did good amount of damage. Really, you had to heal. Any heal is really good. You know, I'm gonna take that away, dude. Go. Ha! Now we can smack him and stun him. Oh, this is my chance. This is my chance! If this doesn't kill him, then I'll have the stun. Let's go! Oh my gosh, I can do another mutant. Oh, it's a support. Was that Halo? Okay, healing 8. I'm gonna do Nimbus. It's a Halo. I have to choose it, guys. It's related to heaven. Now I don't have that stupid goat horn. Yeah, get out of here, goat horn. You suck. Angels are so much better. Like, why would they not? It's advanced! Alright, guys. Spotted Spider versus Flying Stain. Great. Oh god, he has so much more health than me. Alright, I gotta attack him, then he'll get stunned. Let's use this. Some people might have thought that was dumb, but it's good. Oh yes. Oh, pew! Let's do this. Our special's gonna be good. Scratch him. Oh crap. Okay, no more specials. Just attack. I just need to attack. This video, I'm getting really close to where I can't finish the video. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna use a sharpity sharp attack. I need to use a stop healing, please. Remember, in any of these videos, if I die, that's just the end of the video. Oh yes, the crit. Yeah, boys. Let's go. Alright, more damage. You may be able to. Really, dude? Why? Okay, let's do this. I really gotta get this video finished really quickly. Dang it. Oh yes, I can attack him and. Yes, I can heal. crap, that was a cool crit. Ow. Yeah, boys, let's go. Alright guys, this is it. The final battle. Alright guys, this is it. The final battle. The Horn Scoffer. Stop. I'm just gonna choose any like healing things if I really need it. Oh god, he has so much health. Okay. Right. First he has to attack. God. He has a poison effect on me. Right, what do I gotta do? This scratch. Let's scratch him. He put another poison effect on me? I'm gonna get poison duel. Okay, this is gonna be really useful. This healing thing. After that, okay, now that's gone. It'll do that, and then I'll get healed. Yes. Yes, heal, please. I really need these heals. Like really, really need these, guys. I think this is a worthy opponent. Guys, I think I found a worthy opponent. I hate to say it, guys, but I think we found the worthy opponent that's always tried to challenge me. Whoa, they are challenging me. I'm so gonna lose, guys. Oh no, guys. Alright, scratch him. Attack. This guy is good. Alright, yeah, this will attack most of his attacks. I thought I could be able to do this. Alright, scratch him. Let's go, guys. Come on, come on! Come on, this video almost has to be over. The big one. Ha! That stunned him. Oh, I got a big one. Let's get this healing power up. Yeah, dude, you stand no chance now. I have all the best healings. I got the healings and blockers. And I get the heal. Yeah, and I'm gonna attack you then heal. No, but he has that thing. I think I need that thing myself. No. Okay. Scratch him. Did he stop being worthy? Like, please, stop. Guys, I'm gonna pause this video real quick, okay? Alright guys, these works have been, precise. Think I'm gonna die, guys. I don't know if I can do this. Stop healing! Okay, good thing I blocked. Okay. Heal, big heal, big heal, big heal. That was terrible. Oh yes, I'll get another shield and it'll stun him. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna pause it again. I don't want to waste up too much time. Guys, I don't think I can do this. This crit. Wait, guys. I might be able to do this. Yes, guys, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my guys, that was awesome. Oh my god. That was good. Alright guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Bye.